Yo, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy, the man, the legend. That's Ollie FX. Ollie FX in the building. Yeah! Look at this, bro. This is nice. This is nice. So, guys, it's currently 3 a.m. on a Saturday morning, bro.
I'm tired, boss.
This is the grind, bro. This is the grind, chat. Gonna be a busy weekend ahead, so I had to find the time to make this video. All right, cool. So as you guys can see, we had an entry this week on AUDCHF after we had that bullish engulfing candle. So after that, price just kept moving up in high highs and high lows until we closed off on the week over here. I do expect it to continue going up next week. And yeah, we're just gonna continue to set and forget. I did close out partials on this trade, but yeah, man, we're just gonna continue holding that. And yeah, moving on to GBP USD. What do I see for next week? I'm hoping for a daily rejection candle still, even though the daily is kind of playing around a bit. I'm still hoping for shift of structure and a move to the downside. Very clear, very simple. Moving on to Euro GBP, we had the bearish engulfing candle. However, we did not have the move to the downside. So I will continue waiting to see what price action does. Maybe if we get a bearish engulfing under the 4-hour EMA, maybe that is when I will enter this trade. But as of right now, we've just been playing around, as I indicated with this pattern arrow over here, that we were gonna play around. So yeah, that is Euro GBP. Moving on to Euro NZD. So I was expecting buys this week, and after I saw this push to the upside, I thought we were going to the upside. So, but unfortunately, seems like a little manipulation, right? So I'm gonna wait for a daily bullish engulfing candle, and then I will look to enter buys on Euro NZD. Right, moving on to NAS 100. Guys, you know how crazy Hatfield is, bro. There's literally still people at Groove. Like, I can hear them right now. I don't think it's picking up on the mic, but I can literally hear them right now. Okay, cool. NAS 100. As you guys can see, we are at this area of interest. Because we've now switched bullish, I'll actually be hoping to see buys on NAS 100. And guys, as it seems, it looks as if the war could actually come to an end quite soon. The US and Iran are in negotiations. Trump claims the negotiations are looking good. But you know how it be, man. Trump can just come out of nowhere with a bomb, you know what I'm saying? Like the last time. But yeah, as I was saying, you can immediately see in the markets when the Iran war kind of ended, like price action just got so much better, and it's so visible. Even gold is regaining confidence. There is a regaining confidence within gold. As you guys can see, let me show you guys. Gold just shot to the upside after being around here for most of the war duration, right? But we'll get into that a bit later in the video. So looking at Euro USD, we had a daily bullish. We just got a daily bullish engulfing. I'll be hoping for a pullback to this area to then enter some buys. Very simple. Moving on, we have AUD/USD. We had the move. We had a nice 4-hour bullish engulfing. I would have targeted those highs. But yeah, we didn't catch this. But to be honest, I'm not mad. I'm not disappointed. I do think there's still potential for next week to have a deeper retracement and then a buy. Looking at Euro AUD, I anticipated this move to the downside, as you guys can see. Looking at the 4-hour, we had a 4-hour bearish engulfing, and we're kind of having the move right now. I was thinking of entering around here. However, for me, the RR just didn't make enough sense because I'd be comfortable placing my stop loss around here, and targeting so far away for just a 1:2 just wouldn't make sense for me personally, right? Moving on, BTC USD. I'm not too interested. As you guys know or saw in my previous video, I was hoping for sells on BTC USD. However, we have now had a shift in the trend and things are now pushing to the upside. So I think this is also a result of a regain in investor confidence because the war could be coming to an end, right? So as you guys can see, we've had a daily bullish engulfing. So if it happens, we could probably look for some buys around this level if a clean opportunity presents itself, right? But as of right now, daily is 4-hour is bullish. The daily, for the daily, we had here and then we had here. We broke to the upside. We broke to the upside, right? So we broke to the upside. We came here. The previous low is here. We broke to the downside. We came here. The previous swing high, I'd say, is here. So I do consider this price action still bearish on the daily. But if we considered this as a thingy, then we could actually say it's bullish. And I think it actually is bullish. I'd actually argue to say that it is bullish. Bro, what am I doing? Yeah, so daily is bullish on Bitcoin. So we'll be interested in buys next week. Now looking at gold, like I said, we had the push. Now we are at this area of interest. I'll be hoping for sells, maybe a daily indication, daily rejection candle, enter some sells. NZD/USD, kind of playing around a bit. We're expecting sells. We've got numerous daily rejection candles. However, it's just playing around a bit, so I'm gonna let it play around a bit more for next week. I don't want to draw any conclusions as yet. And now, looking at this on the 4-hour NZD CAD, we switched bearish, of course. All right. We are now bearish on NZD CAD. So all we can do is pretty much hope for a pullback and sells or hope for buys off of this level. I think it's still gonna take a bit of time for the daily to come all the way here, create a daily rejection candle, and then take some buys. So yeah, that's that. EuroCAD, we are at this area of interest. I'll be looking out for a daily indication for buys, hoping for a 4-hour shift of structure for buys. Very simple. Moving on to EURCHF, hoping for a pullback, daily rejection, and then on the 4-hour, a nice pullback as well of the EMA, 4-hour bullish engulfing, and then you have a beautiful entry if that happens. So we'll be waiting on that. Otherwise, looks good. We broke above the weekly area of interest, and yeah, looking here, same thing. waiting for the daily rejection, 4-hour bullish engulfing, 1-hour entry signal, and then we are ready to enter this trade. We are nicely above the weekly area of interest, and yeah, AUDCAD, hoping for a pullback. I was hoping for this pullback to then look for some buys. I saw this, but I wasn't honestly entering on a Friday. Friday what? Friday nights, bro. Friday, entering on a Friday, just in general, is not advisable because the weekend fees can get hefty. You feel me? So yeah, guys. Here we just gonna wait, see what the 4-hour gives us. If it gives us a nice entry signal, then we could take some buys off of that level. And yeah, and then our honorable mention from the last couple of videos is coming soon, guys. It's coming soon. Maybe give it 2 more weeks or 3. 2 or 3 more weeks, and then we full port to the downside. So yeah, guys, this is the trade that we're still in, that will continue to hold. It's looking very good right now. And yeah, man, reason why I don't have my camera on anymore is that I realized that my audio quality was actually kind of whack. So using my phone as the mic actually made my videos so much more better. But I will be fixing that soon. I will try and buy a mic for this channel, because I'm trying to get serious, man. I'm trying to get serious with the YouTube stuff. So, yeah, man, if you guys have any recommendations, comment down below. If you guys caught any good moves this week, comment down below. If you guys would like to see some different trading related content, maybe an entry signals video, maybe my how I actually count percentage confluence. Like I actually have a system to count the percentage confluence of a trade, and I only take trades with 100% or more confluence. So yeah, guys, it's been Oli FX. Tap in. Discord coming soon. And yeah, guys, like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one.